Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Annu Adi Cute World. In this video, we can have a brief discussion on Diwali. Diwali is also known as Deepavali, is one of the most auspicious Hindu festivals celebrated in India and around the world. People all over the world celebrate this festival with great zeal and excitement. After defeating the demon king Ravana, Hindus celebrate Diwali, which commemorates Lord Rama's return to Ayodhya with his wife Sita, brother Lakshman, and ardent devotee Hanuman. This religious festival commemorates the victory of good over evil and light over darkness. People clean and paint their homes, stores, and other buildings during Diwali. On this day, they buy new clothing, presents, utensils, candy, and so on. It is regarded as a fortunate time to open new shops, houses, business, and collaborations among other things. People cook a variety of foods and invite relatives and neighbors to dinner. Kids, on the other hand, celebrate the festival by lighting firecrackers in the evening. On this day, the light presents the victory of reality and light over darkness. This day encourages us to stay away from bad habits and do good deeds, as well as to stay on the right track in order to live a happier life. In the evening, people worship Goddess Lakshmi and Lord Ganesha by decorating their homes with rangoli and diya lights. Ganesh is the god of auspicious beginnings and Lakshmi is the goddess of wealth. On Diwali, people light earthen diyas in the streets, markets, houses, and surroundings to wish for prosperity and well-being. On this occasion, the main attraction is crackers. Diwali celebrations include delicious home-cooked meal and sweets distributed to neighbors, families, and relatives. On the night of Diwali, people open their doors in anticipation of the arrival of Goddess Lakshmi. Diwali is a 5-day festival that begins with Dhanteras and lasts until Diwali. To welcome the Goddess Lakshmi into their homes, people decorate their homes with clay lamps and electronic lighting. The festival's main day is devoted to Lakshmi Puja, which is accompanied by delectable delicacies and fireworks. Diwali is a festival in which families and friends come together to celebrate brotherhood, love, and unity. Diwali is also known as the Festival of Lights. It is one of the national festivals in India. The whole country lights up on the night of this festival. People light diyas, candles, and crackers and illuminate their surroundings. The people decorate their houses with colorful lights. People from all over India get a break from their work. The schools declare holidays and the office workers get bonus for this festival. We can not only get away from our normal worldly routine, but we can also reconnect with friends and relatives we have not seen in a long time. The Ganesha and Lakshmi Puja, which is performed for all the gods and goddesses for blessings, prosperity, and riches, is the most special of all. We all feel blissful and happy as the whole atmosphere becomes energized and charged. May this festival of lights fill your life with the glow of happiness and the sparkle of joy. May the beauty of Diwali season fill your home with happiness and may the coming year provide you with all that bring you joy. Wish you all a very happy and prosperous Diwali. Hope you enjoyed this video with us. If so, please like my video, comment your valuable opinions and share it with your friends and family. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel Annu Adi Cute World for more informational and interesting videos. Thank you all. Have a great day.